Welcome back to ACB Photography, where I help photographers win. We had such an amazing response from last week's Win With Me Wednesday video on cleaning your camera gear that several photographers hit me up and like, how do I actually clean my gear? That's a great question, and that calls for another tutorial. So that's what today's tutorial is going to be about, showing you exactly how I clean my camera gear. Now, disclaimer, I am not a professional. I do not claim to be a professional. I am just going to show you my process and what I do. And also, I am guilty because it's been a while since I cleaned my gear. So I'm guilty. I'm going to make it a habit to at least once a week go through my gear, especially the ones that I use all the time, and clean it. So anyway, without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay guys, let's get started. We've got our lenses. I have my camera here, and I want to explain and emphasize rather the biggest rule of thumb while you're doing this. And that is, do not immediately start wiping anything. You want to clear out any dust, debris first before you start wiping. In the kit, we have a blower. We also have our brush here. Blower and brush. Most important, before you just start rubbing on your equipment, you want to loosen up any particles, any debris that may be on your equipment, so that you're not just wiping and scratching your lens or anything. So what I'm going to do first, and I'm going to go through around any little nook and cranny. I'm going to blow, especially off in here. Now I really need to get myself a little thing to go, I forgot what you call it, to go in there and lock that up when I'm not using it. But any of the button areas you want to blow out, even open it up. Let's just do a deep clean. Remove any debris, any dust that may be on your camera, and any little crevice before you start unhooking things and wiping. As y'all know, we be shooting on location. We be everywhere with our camera, and we want to make sure that there's no particles in there that can damage something else. So before you take that lens off, let's blow and brush. Blow and brush. Now, y'all, like I said in the beginning, I am guilty because I have not done this. And I can't tell you the last time I did it. So, like, y'all, when I make these videos, they be to myself first. Y'all, as you can see, I shoot with the Nikon D850. I absolutely love this camera. Had it for 3 years maybe. Absolutely love it. So let's do the same with this before we take it off. Y'all see there's smudges and smears in here. So I told y'all I'm so guilty. Let's blow out this lens cap as well. All right, and this kit comes with the gloves. I didn't explain that before I started, but I just like to wear the gloves as a precaution because you know your hands can be greasy and all of that. All right, so we have done that. Let's wipe down, and always spray your solution. I have two cloths here. One I'm going to spray solution on, and the other I'm going to use as a drying. And you also always want to spray a little bit on your cloth first, not directly on your camera gear. Never directly on your camera gear. And just wipe it down. So if you just remember, blow, brush, wipe. BBW, y'all. We just got a camera meeting to BBW. Blow, brush, and wipe. Man, that looks so much better already. So much better already. All right, I'm not going to take the dry one and wipe it down because I think that's good. We're going to move on to the lens. All right, I'm going to take this lens off now. Just going to set the camera to the side for a moment. We are going to do the same thing that we did. Y'all, don't have my little sensor cover, so I'm just going to move that camera out the way for a minute. So before I get to wiping, I'm going to blow. Make sure there's no debris off in there. Blow again. As you can see that, I don't know if y'all can see that smudge. This is long overdue. Blow. Then we're going to brush. And now we are ready to wipe. Once again, we are going to spray just a little bit. And we are going to clean the lens. We're going to clean this lens. See, look at that. Look at that. So pretty. All right. That is perfect. All right. So one thing we're going to make sure that we do is clean these sensors, because I don't know if there's any other Nikon users that's watching, but I know my camera will give me an R20 error. And I learned a long time ago during a photo session that means clean your sensor on both the lens and on the camera contact. All right. My dry one. There we go. I'm going to take this a step further. Let's get this just to protect it. I have a filter, an ND filter on here, so I'm going to take it off and I'm going to clean it as well. Yeah, I don't know the last time I took this off, so we're going to clean that separately. I'm going to put that right there. Blow. Brush. And we're going to wipe it with the wet one. And I'm going to wipe it with the dry one. Wow, that looks good. All right, we cleaned the outside of this one, so let's just blow it just to be safe. Let's brush out the nooks and crannies. We're going to wipe it with the wet. And then we're going to wipe it off with the dry. That looks good. Let's put this bad boy back on for protection. Kind of hard working in these gloves. There we go. All right, let's put its lens cap back on. Well, let's We already blowed and brushed it. Let's wipe it down just to be sure. I think we blew everything off of it. All right, let's put that. Don't that look good, y'all? Back on. Now, before I put that back on the camera, and I'm going to repeat the steps for my other two lenses as well, but before I put that back on the camera, I am going to blow. And you see the sensor there? This is where I stop. In another video, I'm going to do a second video to show you how you know when to clean your sensor. That's going to be another video because it's a little process that involves taking some pictures. But for this video, we're just going to clean. So what I'm going to do is there's the camera sensors where the lens goes. I'm going to hold the camera upside down and blow to loosen up anything that's in there. And I'm not going to touch the sensor right now. I'm just going to, the camera sensor and the mirror, I'm just going to wipe those contacts right here. All right. Now come back for the part 2 of cleaning your camera and sensor. I do that, but I'm very, very careful because I do not want to mess up my camera. And y'all know the sensor is the main part. So that's as far as I'm going to go right now. But that's it. Remember, our BBW. Blow, brush, then wipe. Blow, brush, wipe. So there you have it. You don't have to be afraid to clean your gear. You just need to know what you need to do and what needs to be left to the professionals. So if you came over here from my Win With Me Wednesday video, I hope this video helped you. If you want to see more lighting tutorials, Photoshop tutorials, behind the scenes content, make sure you follow and subscribe. And photographers, please, let's protect our investment. Clean the gear that we spend so much money on. I'll see y'all in the next video.